What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add end screens to the end of your videos and potentially allow you to get more views and more traffic to your channel. So go ahead and go to the right corner and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and go down to your channel, and you can get to the YouTube Studio by going to your channel, or just simply by going back up to the profile icon and clicking on YouTube Studio Beta. And yeah, so let's wait till this loads. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to the left-hand side and click on videos. And we're gonna go into the video editor, and this is how you add the end screens. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly browse through my videos to select one of my videos that I want to add end screens to. And you can go as far back as you need to your first video or whatever have you. Yeah, so just find the video that you want to add end screens to and select it. I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to have to go to the editor on the left-hand side and select it. And this opens up the editing screen in YouTube. So let's go ahead and go down to the bottom and select Add an End Screen. And this brings up the templates, the different templates and layouts that they have, the selections. I usually just select the one in the bottom right. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one now. And let's apply it. And yeah, guys, so this is where you add the end screens. As you can see, my video is 1 minute long, so I really don't want to have the end screens 20 seconds long. I usually just do 5 seconds. That's the minimum that they allow is 5 seconds on the video. So I'm just going to go to each end screen and change the time to display the last 5 seconds before the video is over. So this video is 1 minute long, so I'm changing it to 55 seconds. And as you can see over here, it has an option for the viewer to subscribe to your page. It has an end screen for the most recent video on your page and the video that is best fit for the viewer. So yeah, this is where you can change those options. Instead of best for viewer, I'm going to go ahead and choose a specific video. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through my videos and see which one best fits this video or what I think would best fit it. And then you can also move the end screens around on the video to make sure everything is pictured correctly and doesn't mess up the page. So let's go ahead and save that. And let's see, I want to view this. So I'm just going to open up another tab to view the video and see if the end screens are showing up correctly. Yeah, I'm not going to watch the whole thing. Let's go ahead and fast forward through this. And yeah, let's see if it shows up right. All right, that's exactly how I wanted it to look. So it worked, and I'm so happy. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That is how you add an end screen to your YouTube videos. I hope this video helped you guys so much. Go ahead and try it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.